In the world of renewable energy, bigger often means better, and today we're witnessing a monumental leap forward in wind power technology. The world's largest onshore wind turbine, installed in Tongyu, Jilin Province, China, is setting new records and pushing the boundaries of what's possible in clean energy production. Meet the 15 megawatt turbine developed by Sany Renewable Energy, a subsidiary of the multinational giant Sany. This engineering marvel isn't just large, it's revolutionary. With a rotor diameter of 885 feet, equivalent to about 270 meters, and blades stretching 430 feet, it has the largest rotor diameter of any onshore wind turbine in the world. At these dimensions, the turbine covers an enormous swept area of over 616,000 square feet, enabling it to capture immense amounts of wind energy. And that energy? It's enough to power 160,000 households annually, all from a single unit. But it's not just size that makes this turbine stand out. The 15 megawatt onshore wind turbine, a cornerstone of the company's product line, is built on a proven platform and designed to operate for 25 to 30 years. One of the key innovations in this turbine is its dual tapered roller bearing integrated main shaft support system. This complex design helps manage the enormous mechanical loads generated by the turbine, ensuring stability even under challenging operating conditions. Beyond its mechanical capabilities, the turbine incorporates intelligent load reduction technologies, making it not only powerful but also resilient. These technologies help minimize wear and tear, reducing maintenance needs and extending the life of critical components. But with size comes the challenge of transportation and installation. How do you move a turbine this large to remote locations? Sany solved this with a lightweight design optimized for long-distance land transportation, reducing logistical barriers and opening up new possibilities for wind energy deployment. Another innovation is the turbine's blade design. At 430 feet long, these blades must withstand immense forces from high winds without compromising their structural integrity. To achieve this, Sany has developed a sophisticated aerodynamic profile with a large thickness and blunt trailing edge, providing greater strength and stiffness. The production of these ultra-long blades has been transformed through automation. Sany has introduced cutting-edge processes like three-dimensional trailing edge blind joint insertion, long-distance automatic infusion for composite materials, and a glass fiber pre-quilting system. These innovations not only improve blade quality but also increase manufacturing efficiency, making large-scale production more sustainable. What makes this turbine truly special is its potential to significantly impact renewable energy capacity. As we strive to reduce our reliance on fossil fuels, massive turbines like this 15 megawatt model can play a pivotal role. One turbine alone provides enough electricity to power 160,000 homes. Imagine the impact when thousands of these are deployed. Before it's scaled up, however, the turbine will undergo a year of rigorous testing. This is to ensure the reliability of every component, from the blades to the drivetrain, under real-world conditions. Once testing is complete, the turbine will be ready to revolutionize wind energy on a global scale. And this is just the beginning. Sany's innovations in onshore wind turbines are part of a broader trend towards larger, more efficient machines. As wind power technology continues to evolve, we're seeing turbines like the 20 megawatt model from CRRC aimed at floating wind farms. Together, these advancements signal a new era for clean renewable energy. Sany's 15 megawatt turbine is more than just a piece of technology. It's a symbol of progress, a testament to what we can achieve when we invest in sustainable solutions for our planet. As testing continues and more of these giants come online, we move one step closer to a future powered by clean renewable energy. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more insights on the latest innovations in renewable energy and cutting-edge technology.